Hello, hello. I'm Adair Palmer.
And I'm Theone Rusianos, and together we are Social Media with Adair and Theone.
Oh my God, the Bobsy twins. With quick message to let you know that we are running a workshop very, very shortly, and it's called Unlocking the Facebook Code 10 Steps to Attracting Clients. If you are a small business who is looking to grow your business on Facebook, looking for more clients and finding it so frustrating that you're not sure where to go or what to do, you spend all your time in the news feed.
Yeah, and you're not sure how to find the right people as well.
We can help you.
We can help you. This is the workshop for you.
We're looking at unpacking the 10 steps to breaking the Facebook code and going a deep dive into 4 of them. Number 1 is the health check. So we've got a health check tool that we will do a live health check on a lucky participant's business page where we can show you what you're rocking at on your page and where you can improve.
Step 2, well, the second thing we'll deep dive into is a content planner calendar. So, you know, when you wake up sometimes, I know I've done this before, and you think, I haven't shared anything on my page in such a long time, I need to share something, what am I going to do? And then you just end up sharing any old random thing which is completely irrelevant to where your business actually is, and it might just be something motivational or whatever, which is okay sometimes, but not if it's just for the sake of sharing something. So the content planner calendar, we go through a process where we help you nut out what you're going down to what you're going to post every day, whether it's a video static, you know, whatever it is, which social media platform. And together, after you've done the health check, it works really well because you know that your message is laser focused and it's going to reach the right people.
And step 3 is chatbots. Now, if you don't know what chatbots are, you need to hang around. You need to book into this because chatbots are the future of marketing for your business. Now, they're a third-party platform that you attach to your Facebook business page. We've got some rugrats around.
Cute.
Cute little rugrats. And they're like a VA in your back pocket that goes 24/7 and can answer questions, frequently asked questions. It can send out messages. It can actually do sales in your sleep if you set it up right. Not many people know what chatbots are. This is a whole new world, folks. It really is. You need to know about chatbots.
And then we've also got number 4 is live video and just going live. Are you somebody who is too scared to hit the live button, and not necessarily because you don't believe in what you do, your product, your service? There are many reasons why people are too scared to go live, and it could be as simple as being worried about what the people you knew, you know, when you were a kid, that you went to school with, that you connected with on Facebook, and just being concerned about what they're going to think about you. They're going to think I'm an idiot. Who am I to have my own business? Rah, 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 rah. We're here to get rid of that thought process and just get you to do what Adair made me do 3 years ago and just hit live.
Just hit live. We will give you some structure to do that with confidence.
Correct.
So unpacking the 10 steps to breaking the Facebook code, we are going to be deep diving into 4 of those steps. Join us, please. Where dates are around here somewhere, and the link to purchase your seat is also in this event somewhere. So we look forward to seeing you. We look forward to helping you grow your business using Facebook as a powerful business tool.
Book in today.
Bye.